to the morning. Good morning. This is the Weather Kids report. Let's check the weather today. Today it is rainy, rainy, rainy. Tomorrow it will be sunny, sunny, sunny. There will be thunder, there will be lightning. That is the Weather Kids forecast today. Today there is a storm with thunder in the sky. Lightning is flashing bright and high. There are puddles on the ground, splash as you play. The storm is here right now, but it will go away. Today it is rainy, rainy, rainy. Tomorrow it will be sunny, sunny, sunny. There will be thunder, there will be lightning. That is the Weather Kids forecast today. Today there is fog I can hardly see. There is morning dew on the grass by the tree. Tomorrow skies will be clear, the sun will shine through. Tomorrow there will be a rainbow with red, green, and blue. Today it is rainy, rainy, rainy. Tomorrow it will be sunny, sunny, sunny. There will be thunder, will be lightning. That is the Weather Kids forecast today.
Thank you for watching the Weather Kids report. See you tomorrow.